I gave you my heart.
Hi. It's Audrey. Now tell me, what's your name?
My name is
Aarohi. Aarohi. Lovely. Aarohi, tell me, how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
6 years old. Lovely. And Aarohi, where do you live?
I live in India
Oh, you live in India.
and I am in Kolkata.
All right, that's a place. Lovely. Very good to know that. Okay. And Aarohi, tell me now, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play.
You like to play? Who do you like to play with?
My brother and my dad.
Oh, your brother and your dad. Lovely. Your brother behind you? Bye, brother. Okay. All right. Let's have a look at today's lesson. Let's have a read. Let's have a read of what this is now. This title. What's it got?
If we help people, they might give us glue or help fix the balloon.
They could do, yeah. That could happen.
Yeah.
What else is Sammy saying? He's going to ask us something now.
Yeah.
Read this out. Can
You help fix the balloon and guess where we are. Let's
let's
go.
go. Okay, we can help fix the balloon. All right. Okay, you're going to read it out aloud now. Remember, we're doing materials. And let's go for the first one. Let's read this one. I'm going to say origami.
Origami is a way to make birds.
Paper birds, lovely. And this one?
What is this day?
The window.
The window is glass.
Is glass. See, all of this bit is glass. You can see out of it. It's glass. You can see out of it. Okay. All right. So we've got glass.
They sit on there. They maybe fall.
And well, they could do. I think they're inside, so they couldn't fall too far. Right, not a good place to sit. You should sit in a chair. All righty. Let's have a read of this one.
The toffee metal is metal.
Yeah. The trophy is metal. What color is it? What color? Gold.
Toffee is metal.
Yeah, it's made of metal and it's a gold color. Very good. All right, read that aloud. Read this out.
Talk.
I taught.
I taught myself how to play the guitar.
Very good. Excellent. And this one?
And this one. Can you see yourself in?
Okay, read this one.
She cooked the soup herself.
Yeah. And him?
John brushed his teeth himself.
Lovely. Very good. Okay. So
The berry and named the thing.
item and name the item. So you got to name it. The first one.
This one is wood, paper made of this bag,
Right.
glass made of this door, metal made of this.
Metal. Where's this one? So the paper bag and the glass. Oh yeah, they're lovely. All right, very good. Okay, I think you said all of them. And it's a metal what?
It's a
Metal.
metal frame.
Lovely, very good. And did you say this one?
Bag.
Like, okay. All right, I think you've said these. Okay, very good. Oh, it's clue number 1. Read this out. Read this out. What's she saying?
Perfect. Thank you. This is for you. What
Yeah.
do you think it is used for?
What do you think it's used for?
For tiger, party tiger. Look her teeth. Her teeth like human.
Yeah, yeah, very good. Like a party tiger, very good. Excellent thoughts there.
This is a lion head made of wood. It is used from our New Year lion dance.
The lion dance. Okay, that's clue number one. Any thoughts? Any thoughts?
Huh?
Any thoughts of where it could be?
Very
Who
cool.
who uses this lion's head for the New Year's? We're gonna have to think. All right. Can you guess what they are? Read the first one.
With the first one, okay, it made of glass you used for to keep cookies, pasta, and spices.
Which one is it? Match it up.
This one,
Lovely. What's it called?
this is called jar.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. What about the next one? Read the next one.
It is it's made of paper. You
That's
use
it. Very good.
it to clean the kitchen.
Yeah. Which one? Match it up.
This one.
Lovely. What's it called?
What is called? This is still tissue paper.
Tissue paper. Yeah. Okay. You're near enough, right? We make it specific in the kitchen, so we got a kitchen roll, but it is like a tissue. I'll accept that. Read this out.
It is it's made of metal. You use it to hold strips of paper. This one.
Yeah. Lovely. What's it called?
What it's called? Clip, paper clip. I don't know this name.
That's correct. Paper clips. You're right. It is paper clips. Very good.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, it's clue number 2. What they say?
Fantastic. Thank you, dear. Take this.
Oh,
What do you think it's inside?
what do you think's inside this? What could be inside?
I think some meat, seafood, and vegetable.
All right. Lovely. Do you know what it might be called?
No, it's hot. And this soup, this wait, let me think. This soup is spicy.
Yeah, spicy. I think you're right. I think you're right.
Tomorrow, this way said.
Oh, let's have a read.
This there is meat and vegetable. I am correct.
Yeah, that's right. And you just dip them in their spicy sauce. And did you say dumplings? Dumplings.
And
Um,
this one's dumpling.
yeah. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, I want to do some more myself. All right. What else can you do yourself? I'm gonna ask you a question. Tell me, what would you rather? Would you rather be able to slide down a rainbow or jump on clouds?
I keep slide.
You'd like to slide in a rainbow? Why is that?
I want to slide.
You want to slide? Oh, God. Do you like sliding?
I like slide.
Yeah, you like that? All right. If you could be a superhero, what superhero would you be?
I want to be Spider-Man.
You want to be Spider-Man? Why is that?
I wanna be Spider-Man because I touched that Spider-Man. I want to become Spider-Man.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, lovely. All right. Would you rather walk around the world or swim around the world?
Walk.
Why is that?
This is walk.
Yeah, why would you rather walk around the world?
I think outside.
You're outside. You wouldn't like to swim around the world?
I, s- I s- don't swim at the moment.
Ah, you don't like to swim. Do you swim now?
I swim now.
But that's too far swimming. To swim around the world would be too far. All right, okay.